under our Early Learners Program, we have brought together all education officers across the OECS.
The impact, the influence of the education officers is pivotal. And so you want the passion for reading to be improved, to be driven by the input of the education officers in the various zones throughout the OECS and the various districts as well.
We're hoping that through this two-day interaction among education officers, that they would find some time to share some of the best practices, but moreover, discuss as a region some practical sustainability mechanisms which should be in place at the national level to better support the implementation of the project upon its close date, which is September of this year.
The ELP has always been about creating a team, and now by bringing the very important education officers to this conference, we're extending the team even wider.
So it's for us to really get all hands on deck and really see that this implementation of the principles continue and it is really sustained so our children can really improve in their reading.
So we are hoping if with this intervention, this two-day intervention, we are able to get the support of the education officers in really ensuring that ELP or the outcomes or reading remains a focus, and moreover that the achievements from the Early Learners Program continues throughout the school years and years to come.